Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 31st, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Monday out there so far. Hope everybody Monday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Invest 96L, what you see on the screen here. Also, we're going to take a look at Invest 97L. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map. And also take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks, because I got to get out again. Still having leg problems. I finally got a chance to get to the doctor, so hopefully I'll get a chance to see what's going on with my leg. And also it seems like I'm having sinus problems again as well. So I'm going to be having those two checked out today in the doctor's office. Okay, please, and also please pray for me so that way everything will go okay today at the doctor's office. Thank you very much. And if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. As you can see here, here's 96L. Sorry for it's still trying to upload, but that's as far as it's got. But most of the activity is to the east of the center. A little convection to the north, but most of the activity is east of the center. Looks pretty well healthy this morning. I mean, this afternoon. 96L is, and like I said, it's supposed to become a tropical depression sometime later today or maybe sometime on Tuesday. Let's take a look at the computer model guidance here real quick. This is from the National Hurricane. This is the hurricane models showing the system currently right here. Takes it off to the west northwest, into the north northeast, and then out to sea. And we can say goodbye to tropical depression when it becomes tropical depression and 6, and then tropical storm Emily at any time. All right, let's take. Take a look at the intent. Okay, here it is. Currently, we got 35 knot wind storm status. Most of the models do take it into tropical storm, so that's why everybody expected it to become tropical storm Emily over the next probably next 12 to maybe 24 hours, and then maybe, well, I'm gonna say 12 to 48 hours should become tropical around the to the east and northeast of the center as it continues to race on out to the northeast. All right, let's take a look at the computer model guidance of the storm. Okay, these are the hurricane models. That way we get a chance to see it real quick. You can see here at the center of the storm, about 12. See, it keeps on heading toward Europe. By about 120 hours out, it should be approaching Europe over there in that region. And this system here has only a small chance of development into a tropical storm, but most of it keeps it as a tropical depression. There's a few takes it into tropical storm status. We'll just have to wait and see. But if it do, it could become Franklin, tropical storm Franklin, later on down the road. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the weather radar across the nation. As you can see here, we got scattered showers up here, more widespread showers over in portion of Canada. We'll be moving into Maine. Scattered activity over portion of Virginia, West Virginia, and also down in North Carolina. We got more widespread showers and storms off of 97L offshore in the coastal waters. Also got some scattered activity around the Bahamas. Down in Puerto Rico, got a few scattered showers there. More widespread showers down in the Gulf of Mexico. Here's a cluster of showers and storms. We'll be moving to the southeast. We'll be in Mississippi and Louisiana. And here's another system here with more showers and storms moving through Nebraska all the way to Kansas, also in the Missouri as well. Scattered activity over here in portions of Colorado, Utah, Arizona, Southern California. Also more clusters up here in portions of North Dakota as well. A little bit across Southern Canada and Southwest Canada. Guam radar currently looks good. Scattered showers around the Hawaiian Chain Island and scattered showers across Alaska as well. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map for your location across the nation. Flood advisories up here around the New Jersey, Washington, D.C. area, and Maryland vicinity. Also, we still got heat advisory reports in southern Florida, the Panhandle of Florida, southern Georgia, portion of Mississippi, much of Arkansas, much of Oklahoma. We got excessive heat warnings also in effect for Louisiana, Mississippi, Louisiana, southeast Louisiana, southern Mississippi, northern Louisiana, southern portions of Arkansas, southern portions of Kansas, western portion and southwestern portion of Missouri, and much of eastern and northeast Texas. Flood advisor, flood watches in effect for Port of Colorado and also in the portion of Wyoming as well. Air quality alert for Port of Montana, portion of Colorado, also in portion of southwest Arizona. Got a flood watch also in effect for a county there in portions of New Mexico. Red flag warnings also in effect for portions of Idaho. Also air quality alert for portions of Oregon State, excuse me, as well. Alright, Alaska got a few special weather statements for Central. Still got those coastal flood advisory for coastal flood statements anyway for the Hawaiian Chain Island. Gale warnings to the south. Alright, Storm Prediction Center time. As you can see, we still got general thunderstorm from Maine all the way back over to portions of Michigan, also portions of Washington, D.C. to the Carolinas, down to the Florida Panhandle, back Louisiana, Texas to portions of Minnesota, also back into Montana, back to California, and also to West Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. We got some marginal rift over in Arizona, also in the Colorado, and also in the portion of the Dakotas. Also in the portions of Missouri, also in the northern portion of Arkansas, also Louisiana, and from Virginia to the Florida area around the Miami area. If you live in Phoenix, Arizona, Jacksonville, Florida, Denver, Colorado, Tucson, Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, marginal risk for severe weather this afternoon. Tornado probability, less than 2% all areas. Winds, percent. Phoenix, Arizona to Mesa, Arizona, surrounding areas. Hail probability over here in Missouri, also Colorado to the Dakotas. If you live in Denver, Colorado, all the way to Fort Collins, Colorado, including Springfield, Missouri, Aurora, Colorado, and Colorado Springs, Colorado, 5% risk for large hail this afternoon. Let's take a look at your Tuesday forecast. Alright, we got general thunderstorm from the Outer Banks of North Carolina to the Florida Keys, back to Louisiana, all the way back to Minnesota, Wisconsin, all the way over to Montana, all the way down into, Montana, down into portions of Kansas, Arizona and New Mexico, portions of California, Nevada, marginal risk over here in portions of Colorado, Nevada, Colorado, Nebraska, and southeastern Wyoming, also up here in Dakota and Minnesota. If you live in Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, marginal risk for severe weather on your Tuesday. Tornado probability less than 2% all areas. Winds, same areas, Denver, Colorado, all the way over to Fort Collins, Colorado, and surrounding areas. Large hail, same areas, Denver, Colorado to Fort Collins, Colorado, surrounding areas for your Tuesday. Let's take a look at Wednesday forecast real quick, and then we're going to wrap up the video because I got to start getting ready so I can go to the doctor so I can get my leg checked out and also my sinuses checked out as well. Alright, we got general thunderstorm from portion of Virginia down to the Florida Keys, back to Louisiana, all the way back to Arkansas, all the way back over to Arizona, New Mexico, back into Port Montana, back up to Minnesota. We got Martin, Minnesota, Wisconsin, also into portion of northern Michigan. All right, if you live in Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Duluth, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, marginal risk for severe weather on your Wednesday. Probability, same areas. Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Duluth, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, 5% risk for severe weather on your Wednesday. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Sorry I had to cut it short, but like I said, I got to go to the doctor, have this thing checked out. It's been going on too long, and still haven't got much better. So I'm going to try to see if I can get the doctor to get me back better. Alright, hope everybody has a great afternoon. Take care, and we'll catch you back in the next video. We'll have a great Monday, everyone.